You guys ready? Here we go. We'll see. Oh my god. Okay, well that kind of gave it away. What? Guys, we have ourselves Insta360 X4 8K action cam. Ooh. All right, we got the lens cap. Nice, that's cool. Ooh. That's also cool. Sick. All right, that's gonna be super important. The Insta360 invisible selfie stick. But what's cool about this one is it's also the tripod. And then you just, how do you, oh, and then you just bada bing bada boom. Oh, that's cool. So you just push that part up and then push that part down. That is nifty. And you just, and then you, and then, wow. It's just gonna keep going and going and going and going. Here we go. Here goes nothing. Ooh. That is nifty, dude. Holy smokes. Funny enough, I don't think I actually watched any unboxings of this. I just watched videos on like how to use it, how to edit, all that good stuff. So, this is gonna be kind of new to me. I'm guessing this is just like instructions, which it is. What's this side? Lens guard. Oh yeah, it should have lens guards. That's right. Yeah, that's right. Okay, so this one, the X4 compared to the X3, actually comes with lens guards. All you got to do is just twist them on. So that will be super helpful. Great way to protect the lenses. All that good stuff. And I believe as far as charging, so this here's the battery. You just pinch and it pops out. Look at that. And I think I just got the one right now. That's where the SD card slot goes in. I don't know if you guys can see that too well. Yeah, so that little slot right there is where the SD card goes in. Oh, and that's how you charge it right there is USB-C. Sick. All right, cool. There's that, there's that, there's that. Anything hidden? Nothing. All right. Cool, cool. Perfect. Genius. I know these are actually pretty sick. Yeah, nice. And this here is just a... All right, you really want to play games? You want to play games? Like silicone, rubber, silicone, I don't know. Yeah. And it just goes right over top. Oh my god, that sounds horrible. You just go bada bing, bada boom. And then your lenses are protected. Okay, I think that's everything, guys. Oh, wait, hold on. Last thing. This is actually what I was just looking for. But, oh! Oh! No way. I didn't know that. Okay, I actually forgot about this. I thought that this was something else. But, that's sick. So, little carrying case. But, on top of that, you have this here plastic piece, which is like, it's kind of for protection, but what I heard, and what was actually a really good point that was brought up, is more than anything, this camera can get really hot, so this is a great way to also regulate the heat, which I don't know how true that is, but I was like, well, that actually makes some sense. So yeah, super easy to put on as well, and then you can go about your merry way. A little bit extra protection as well as cooling and all that, so that's pretty sick. That's okay. Yeah, we have to do these. Ooh, pretty sick, guys. I am really pumped. There we go. There we go. There we go. Thank you for tuning in. I'm gonna get this SD card put in there. I'm gonna get to charging it. Stay tuned for some 360 content. I'm pumped. Thank you as always, guys. Really means a lot. Be sure to subscribe. Welcome to the Dream Team. Thank you. And here's to an awesome 2025. Let's go.